Now we're going to take a look at verse 1, and there's a couple chords we need to learn first. F sharp minor here on the 2nd fret, A major, E major, and they're the 3 chords that we need to learn. Now what happens is this is broken up into 8 bars. The first 2 bars are F sharp minor. Then the second two bars are A, followed by 2 bars of E, followed with two bars of F sharp minor. Then what happens is when it starts over again, don't forget to play the F sharp minor again for bars 9 and 10, and then it just does the same succession for the verse here. So let me play it for you and then we'll talk about it a little bit. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, F sharp minor. Start over again. A, E, F sharp minor. And that's the whole verse there. So now let's talk about my strum pattern here. So I'm going that. That's my main accent point. Bop, pop, 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 pop. So if I put it to the chord, so 1 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, right? So there's my accent there. You'll see me doing a lot of ghosting just to fill it in. So pop, 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 pop. Here we go. And I do that with every single chord. I kind of keep that rhythm moving. And this is a really good rhythm to do while you're singing as well, because it kind of flows right with the lyrical content too as well. So now just kind of pay attention to my right hand and what I'm doing, and we'll go ahead through the chords again one more time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3 and 4. So that's with my F sharp minor when I do the A. Okay, then I go to an E. F sharp. Okay, now I'm going to play through it. Now the tempo is going to pick up faster. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, E, F sharp. So now let's talk about the rhythm a little bit more for those of you that are struggling with it. And just remember, as my pattern goes, we're playing that pattern 1 time per chord, so that's broken up over 2 measures. Okay, so now if we talk about the strokes that I'm doing, I'm going down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Play with the F sharp minor. So hopefully that helps you a little bit with that, with breaking it up into the segments as far as the downstroke and upstroke. And just keep watching and keep playing along with it. The next section of the song we're going to take a look at is the chorus, and has some really nice chords in it. So the chorus, we're going to start with a D major 7 here, which is this chord. Okay. And then the next chord after that we're going to look at is an A major 7. Okay, then the next measure, back to D major 7. Back to A major 7. Back to D major 7. Now we have a bar chord in here, C sharp minor 7, 4th fret, 5th string. B minor 7. And then you're going to do a little lick. goes to the E. This is for the first chorus. The second chorus will have a little bit different of an ending, okay? So now, let's go ahead and play through it. These are all whole note strums, really easy. So we start with the D major 7, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4 to the A major 7, 2, 3, 4, D major 7, 2, 3, 4 to the A major 7, 2, 3, 4, D major 7, 2, 3, 4 to the A, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we go back to the D, 3, 4, C sharp minor 7, 2, 3, 4, B minor 7, 3, 4. Okay, now that leads us back into the guitar solo. So the next couple parts of the song, let's talk about that. We have the guitar solo, which basically contains the verse played twice as long. So instead of the 16 bars, we're going to play that for 32 bars, okay? Playing the verse twice as long as normal. Then we play a normal chorus, and that's still part of the guitar solo. The next section after that is going to be verse 2, which is the same as verse 1. Now we get to chorus 2, which is exactly the same, except instead of going to the E for the last bar, right, for the last 2 bars, we're going to go to B minor, and then we're going to go to F. All right, so now let me walk you through this chorus here. So we go D major 7, 2, 3, 4 to the A, 2, 3, 4 to the D, 2, 3, 4 to the A, 2, 3, 4, D, C sharp minor 7, 2, 3, 4, B minor 7, B minor 7 again, F, and that leads us into the outro part. Now we get to the outro part of the song, and it cuts time to about 1:22. And what we're going to do is basically play 2 chords back and forth, E minor 7, and then we're going to go back to A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4 to the A. Now we're going to do that 6 times before it switches to something else, another section here at the outro. So we split it up. So let's go ahead and play that 6 times together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, E minor 7, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4 to the A, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3 to the E minor. It's 2 times. Back to the E minor 7. Now our next section after that is we have a C major 7, 2, 3, 4, B minor 7, whole note. Then we're going to go to, and that's going to tie over to the next measure just like we've done before, F major 7, 2, 3, 4, counted slowly. Then we go to G. Now here's a nice little chord sequence. We have the Jimi Hendrix chord here, D7 sharp 9. Then we have D7 flat 9. So ends on a B minor. So now let's take a look at the first chord here on the second part of the outro. C major 7 is basically a C with no first finger. Okay, then we go to a B minor 7, which was in the chorus. Okay, F major 7, 2 different ways of playing this. One, you can play it in open position, like an F with no first finger on the first string, which leaves that high E string open, or you could also play it like this, more traditional jazz way. Okay, that's like an A minor with F in the bass. Okay, then we have a G major bar chord. D7 sharp 9 is 5, 4, 5, 6. So all 4 fingers are being used. and then I flatten, and then I go to B minor at the end. Okay, so let's play that. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that gives us the entire outro there for the rhythm section. Now what I want to do is go ahead and play this with the backing track.